Nicholas Barnes here from the Team Taz Racing Camp. We're just here having some fun today. We're not driving Yellowbird today as we're getting ready for Dover, doing some preparation for Dover. We're here sharing a car with the man himself, the teacher, Cutter Hype. Yeah, I'm driving his machine today. We're just here having some fun. We completed 2 out of 3 runs at the fastest time so far, but the competition here is very sticky, it's very tight, so we don't want to start celebrating too early. But I'm not seated properly in the car because it's not my car, so I'm not comfortable. There are some few parts on the track where I know I can go faster, but not pushing the limit, it's not my car, you know, and we want to carry the car safe. So let's see how the third one goes. Stay tuned. Big up 87th Street, 6th Street every time. Boom.
Shots fired!
I cushion!
Shots fired! Shots fired!